All right, here's a quickie for Team E. That double top at the 28.5 zone. We expected resistance to come in between 25 to 32 first thing on a bounce, and thankfully today that 32 resistance has held for the half gap trade. And going by the numbers, if we get back to this 15.5 right here, there's a 40 back intraday. And I've got that 14 overnight, pretty significant area. You had a turning point there. If you follow our methodology and you're looking at the blue line, this blue line was just a beautiful resistance on this initial pop this morning. And normally at the open, this is a key resistance level. We've got to hold this to keep the slope underneath it. As you recall, the other day we talked about a 10-minute chart. So we know there's a 10 behind us on this, but the 5 is where we want to start. So anything into that 19 zone should be the first area that you want to make sure you are paid, that half gap zone. Once you come into 1875, that area, make sure you're paid. And then the good fortune is below, being able to tackle this 15 area. And below that, obviously, we've got the gap zone at somewhere around 11.5. So this is trailer time. Anybody that took a short at the open, congrats. This is make sure you get paid time. A reminder of the low on Friday. That's a significant idea. So as we approach this zone, today's psychology is we've got to get underneath that for any more continuation, because this was all a washout overnight. So this, again, just a quickie. This is a good spot to make sure you're paid as we get into the 40 back. And this is a great way to start the week. And if you took that trade, typical trade for us, we like the half gap trade. In bear markets, half gap trade, south side, these are beautiful continuation umbrella trades. And we're not looking for a plunge today. Get on the scoreboard, lock it up, and obviously move on and look for subsequent trades. Trailer time for the next few minutes, and remember timing trades as the hour plays on. Probably a two-way day today. And here's our angels and demons chart. The demon was taken out early, just at the open, and then a reversal right here. Nobody that is shorting that double top area is going to get stopped out by a tick, or at least I hope you don't, because that's really the shorting zone we had talked about. And if you read the chart correctly, then once we have a deep demon, that already traps these traders up here who have thought that today was just going to be a breakout, and that's that, without any backing and filling. Here's that 14 we talked about right in here. You can see this point. Here's a double right here, and it held early, so this is a retest, and this is going to be a significant area today, so make sure you're paid coming in here. And if you're looking at something like a 15-minute chart, you'll see this trend line that I put on here because I thought that might be an important idea today for a neckline. All right. So here's your double area right in here. Here's your angel area back in here overnight. This red line down in here, that's the angel zone. And here's your demon, and in between is range trading. So I hope this helps give you a little more insight. Don't expect to get home run. I love singles and doubles, meaning make sure you get paid. Start the week the right way. If you've had a short from the top, you for sure want to get paid coming into 14. That was posted to you earlier. That is going to be a pretty good area to make sure you're paid. And you're going to leave some chips on the table just the way it is. So this is a great start to the week. Anybody that took the short coming back towards that 1375 to 14 area. And then obviously the gap at 11. Check your settlements. Check your late date closes. This is a late date close over here at 1375. That's why I'm a little bit paranoid about that right now, and make sure I'm paid already. All right. Be well. Have a great day, great week. We'll catch you on another one of these.